Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp in iPhone. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is open up the App Store on your phone. Once you're done with that, head over to the bottom right and select Search. And in the search bar at the top, select it, then type in WhatsApp. So there it is, WhatsApp Messenger. So I already have WhatsApp Messenger on my phone, so there is no need to download it again. But if it's your first time using WhatsApp on your iPhone, then you're simply going to select Get. And then it's going to prompt you to double click on the side button, and sometimes it's going to ask for your Face ID. So if I double click, it's going to scan my Face ID, then choose Download. Then once WhatsApp Messenger is done downloading, you can simply head over back to your apps on your iPhone, and you're going to notice it there. And it's that simple. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.